That's gotta be one.
What's up, guys? We are hopefully getting the engine in today. Last week didn't go so well. I didn't realize I was missing a bunch of stuff, but there it is, sitting on the little makeshift pallet, and we are stripping some stuff down. We're getting the clutch all put together, and then it should be good to go in. But I probably won't film a lot during this, just because it's going to take a lot of hands to get it in and make sure everything goes smoothly. So I probably won't be filming a lot, but definitely stay tuned for the fun stuff we're going to do with it. After this, it's going to go back to my house, and I'll be piecing it together a little bit by a little bit, and then we'll go from there. So stick around, guys. I'll update you guys in a minute, let you know how everything went, but I'll show you one more time what it looks like. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, we got a little update. I had to stop for a little bit, and I had to run to Harbor Freight and pick up this bad boy. Little engine leveler, because of these little brackets right here, because they are gonna mount on the block a lot easier, and let us lift it a lot easier, instead of like all sketchy, like trying to put these chains like that, trying to put the chains on the bolts and stuff. So we got the engine leveler with the little brackets on it. Sorry about the dog noises and everything, but we got that, so we're gonna hook it up and hopefully drop this puppy in. So I'm probably not gonna film it, but I will update you guys once we get it in and everything, and then I'm gonna have it towed back to the house so I can do the little remaining stuff that needs to be done on it. So
Wiener sandwich.
Wiener sandwich, huh, Gabe?
Oh yeah, buddy.
All right, wiener sandwiches, guys. Stick around, and I'll update you guys in a little bit.
Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss her. And you miss her. And you miss her. And you miss her. And you did it right from the start.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the hard part is done. I don't know if you guys saw from that last clip. Hopefully I got it before it got too dark. But the engine is in. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Hopefully it was still light out when we actually got it in so you guys can see. If not, I don't know. I'll edit out the dark part and hopefully it won't be just like flashlights shining all over the place. But it's in. Need to put some more bolts on it. Finish putting in the bell housing bolts. And then put the accessories on and have it towed over here to my place. And then I will slowly get the things together that it needs, that just little odds and ends that were left out. But it's official, boys and girls. The engine is in the car. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Hopefully you guys stay tuned for all that is to come with this engine and this car. I have a lot that I want to do to it. Just funds are a little tight right now, but we're going to be building it up, and then hopefully I'll get a tune for it soon, and we'll go race some people and have fun with that unsprung 6-puck clutch. Not looking forward to that. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully everything came out all right today as far as your viewing experience and everything. But the engine is in. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Please leave a comment. I really want to see what you guys have to say about the build and everything, opinions and stuff that you want to see done to it. But that's that, boys and girls. I appreciate y'all watching. Have a fantastic day. Peace.